Good morning, all of you. In last class, means regular class, I have discussed about the hormones, and you know that hormones are the chemical messenger or chemical substance which always hit the target site or target organ. And I have also discussed about the two types of hormones. First, that is the male hormone testosterone, and the second female hormone that is estrogen. You know that hormones are especially released from the endocrine gland. Endocrine glands and hit the particular target site in our body. There are different types of glands which secrete different types of hormones, and the hormones secreted by the different type of glands hit the different target organs. So first I will discuss about the gland that is called pituitary gland, and pituitary gland is the smallest gland of our body. The location of pituitary gland is located at the base of brain. Hormones which is released from the pituitary gland is called growth hormone, and it is responsible for growth and development of muscles and body. The major function of the growth hormone that it is responsible for the growth and development of muscles and body, and this hormones is released from pituitary gland, which is the smallest gland and located at the base of the brain. Pituitary gland is also called master gland of body because it regulates the system of our body, especially in case of growth and development of the muscles and body. The next endocrine gland is thyroid gland. If we see the location of the thyroid gland, it is located at the neck region below the larynx or voice box, and the hormone which is released from the thyroid gland is called thyroxine, and the function of thyroxine is stimulate the cellular oxidation of carbohydrate, protein and fats for secretion of thyroxine hormone. There is need of iodine. Deficiency of iodine which causes goiter in human being. So thyroid gland release hormone thyroxine, and it stimulates the rate of cellular oxidation of the carbohydrate, protein, fats and vitamins, which is the major component of our diet. The next endocrine gland is adrenal gland. It is present at the top of the kidney, and the hormone released from the adrenal gland is adrenaline. Adrenaline is also called emergency hormone because it released during fear and anger. So, adrenaline hormone control the emotion like fear and anger, and adrenaline hormone also regulate the heartbeat and blood pressure in human. The next endocrine gland is pancreas. Pancreas is also called mixed gland because it secretes hormone and digestive juice both. So, due to this reason, pancreas is also called mixed gland, or it is a type of mixed gland. In hormones, pancreas secretes the hormone insulin. Insulin regulates the sugar level in the blood, and if there is less secretion of insulin in our blood, then the sugar level in our blood is become high or less. In both cases, if a person is suffering from the diabetes, it means there is less secretion of the hormone insulin because it regulates the sugar level in our blood, or we can say glucose level in our blood.